Hi everybody, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I hope everybody's keeping safe and healthy. I've been trying to get over my obsession with the news lately, and I'm spending a bit more time in my craft room. I forgot how therapeutic it is to be working on a hobby that takes your mind off of things and makes the time go by pretty quickly. So I'm going to show you my latest project. It's a birdhouse with a scrapbook album inside. This is based on my tutorial for the birdhouse and scrapbook album set that's in my Etsy shop. And the reason that I made this is because the binder clips like these that I use in the album are getting really difficult to find. I can't find them on Amazon anymore. These were the Tim Holtz Ideology ring binder in large size, and I don't know if they discontinued making them or what, but I figured for those of you who already purchased the tutorial, it would be a shame if you can't make the album because the binder rings are unavailable. Somebody did find a set on Etsy, but even then I thought I'll make another design of album that's the same size, that's similar to the existing one, but that doesn't use these. So I'm going to show you the album in a few minutes. Those of you who already bought the tutorial, just go back to the website where the videos are listed and you'll see 2 new videos added, and it's a video tutorial that shows you how to make the new style of albums, and you can download the cutting dimensions as well, so you have 2 choices of albums. So if you have these ring binders, you can make the first style, and if not, you can have a look at the second style and make that one if you prefer. But first I'm just going to show you the little bird house that I made and the embellishments on it. I've got some little die cut birds here and here, another one here, and I put some more on the side here and on the back, and I have some flower embellishments on there, and I put some little acrylic flat back pearls along the bottom, and I have a little flower. I'll just move my camera. I have a little flower here at the top, and I've got some bling on the edge, and another flower. I just put it on the side of the roof, and I've got little beads that hang down, and there's the back again with the chipboard flower that I painted. And then on the other side I have these little stick-on flowers, some more little flat back pearls, and this was a little sprig. It's made out of fabric, and they're like little leaves that stand out from a stem, so I attached that there. And so now I'm going to show the inside. So I lift off the lid, and there's the album inside the cover. So I'm going to put my camera back in the stand and I'll show you the album. So I'm going to pull it out. So on the front cover I have again some of the little acrylic flat back pearls that match the bottom of the box, and I put an image of a bird and a little flower. I've got the spine covered with the netting or with the lace, and then I didn't have any more of those metal book plates, but I did have a die cut, so I used a die cut and I just put a little piece of cardstock behind there. I've got a little flower and some little embellishments, and there's the back. The back is just plain, again with some of these little acrylic pearls. So it's going to look a lot like the original style, and on the left hand side I have these 2 flaps, and it opens, and I've got binder rings with some photo mats on there. This one instead is a pocket, so I had the spinner at the top and the pockets would open, or the flaps would open. Here I've got the spinner at the bottom because this forms a pocket. It's an accordion pocket, and then you can put photo mats in there, or you can also just stack some photos in there. You can fit easily 4x6s. There's plenty of room in there. So that's the left side. And then on the right hand side, in the original version, I have my binder rings attached to the back cover, and then the paper bags are punched and added to the back cover. Now, because I'm not using the binder rings, I made some hidden hinges that I attached directly to the spine of the album. So it's like a little mini album on the right hand side. So I'm eventually going to list this in my shop. For now, I've removed all of my items from my shop except for the tutorials. They're still up there because those are PDF files and they're immediate downloads. But anything that I have to ship through the post office, I've removed for now because I don't plan on going to the post office, and also it's unsure as to whether the postal services will be affected, and I'd rather not have anything stuck in transit, so I'll wait until everything gets more settled before I relist my items. So here's the first page. Now, I used paper bags in my original album. The tutorial also shows you how to make your own paper bags, and I didn't have any paper bags left, so I made my own. So these are the ones that I used for this album, but you can also use regular paper bags. So here I have a little tag that says Joy. I put that in here, and then there's another little tag inside the flap. So each of the pages is constructed the same, so that hasn't changed. And here, treasure these precious moments. Another little tag. So you can put a photo here, and then dream big. And you can also attach some photos on here or just tuck them inside. And there's another tag. Today is the day. And of course there's the long tags inside each of these pages as well. Create your own sunshine. And then you can attach a photo here and here. And the back of the tags is plain. You can write with a gold Sharpie. It looks really pretty. Or you can also just attach a picture on the back if you prefer. And that's the last one. I have a little pocket on the back here and another little tag. So that's my album in style number 2. So like I said, those of you who already have purchased the tutorial, just go back, and if you can't find it, then you can always send me an email and I can send it to you. You can either re-download the entire tutorial if you like, and the link to the videos is there, as well as the cutting dimensions at the back, or you can just download a separate file that has the cutting dimensions and link to videos for this. And the videos are also linked on the web page that has all of the videos listed, so you just click and it brings you directly to it. And for those of you who don't have the tutorial, if you're interested in getting it, it is available in my Etsy shop, and I'll include a link to it below in the description of this video. So have a nice day, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye!